friends. Miss Lisa here with her friends, and we need your help to subscribe and share the Express Kids videos with as many friends as you know. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Hello friends, I'm Miss Lisa and this is Express Kids. Welcome back to our Train Car Clubhouse. Knuckles and Digits and I were just getting ready to go over to the stage. We have a show and a brand new song. Do you want to come with us? You do? I'm sure there will be room in the front row just for you. On the count of 3, let's hop on over together. 1, 2, 3. Hi friends, here we are on stage. I've got my guitar, I've got my rockin' sunglasses, I've got Knuckles and Digits that's going to help us with our signing of our letters. We're going to do a rock and roll song, rockin' and rollin' to the alphabet sounds. So what you need to do is stand up and get your air guitar moving. Get it going. All right, here we go. A says apple. B says ball. We're rocking and rolling to the alphabet sounds. C says cake. D says dog. E says egg. We're rocking and rolling to the alphabet sounds. F says flag. G says guitar. H says house. We're rocking and rolling to the alphabet sounds. I says ill. J says jeans. K says kite. We're rocking and rolling to the alphabet sound. L says lollipop. M says mouse. N says nest. We're rocking and rolling to the alphabet sounds. O says ox. P says poo. Q says queen. We're rocking and rolling to the alphabet sounds. R says robot. S says star. T says tiger. We're rocking and rolling to the alphabet sounds. U says umbrella. V says violin. W says wheelchair. We're rocking and rolling to the alphabet sounds. X says X. Y says yo-yo. Z says zebra. We're rocking and rolling to the alphabet sound. We're rocking and rolling to the alphabet sound. Yeah! Oh, thank you, friends, for rocking and rolling with me. We'll see you next time.